Hey guys, and welcome to this IPICO video on how to create a UID file without having a IPICO dual frequency registration reader. And to begin, you're going to need to go ahead and start assigning tag numbers to your tags. However you do that is up to you, and as you can see, I'm just writing them on the tag themselves. And once you've got that file, those numbers created, go ahead and start scanning those tags. And actually, I should back up a little bit. You need to go ahead and connect your reader to dashboard first. And once you've connected to dashboard, as you can see here, you'll start to see that it actually begins collecting tags. So we can go ahead and we can scan these tags in and make sure that you're scanning them in the order that you've got listed on the numbers. And I'm only going to scan in 10 here. Okay, now as you can see, when I click update, first I'm going to click view tags over here. And then when I click update, you can see that it brings it in, and then I'm going to click export. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and save the type as text to make sure that there's no sorts of abnormalities in the file. And then I'm just going to create a file name and save it. All right, so let's take a look at the file that we've created here. I'm going to right click and open with Excel. And once I've got that file open in Excel, I can start to actually work with the data. Now, just like as if you were going to download your data for an actual race, you can see that these files actually include more than just the actual UID number, the tag number. It actually includes things like the date and time. So I'm going to use this formula that you can see me typing in up here to actually remove that extraneous data, and I'm going to copy that down. So you can see if I click on this, and then down here in the corner, I grab that corner and drag it down, it actually copies down the formula, but it copies over, or it automatically grabs from column A. So it's not just copying the exact formula, it's copying the exact formula with reference to the column number next to it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do to actually grab that information from the file that we created. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and copy this column. And then over here in another column, I'm going to paste the values, and make sure you're pasting values and not just the entire thing, or this is not going to work. And now I need to go ahead and delete this data. So make sure when you right click on this that you don't just click clear contents, because that will not work. You need to go ahead and click delete. And then as you can see, it actually deletes those columns for us. All right, so the next thing that I need to do is come in here to data. And then we're going to remove duplicates because we have too many of the same scans. Okay, as you can see, it says 20 duplicates found and 10 unique values remain, and that's exactly what we want because I scanned in 10. Okay, so now I need to go ahead and start assigning these actual tag numbers. These are going to be the bib numbers that are associated with the actual tag. And since we scanned these in the order that we numbered them, we can be assured that it's actually going to match the number that we put here. All right, so now all that's left to do is to go ahead and save the file. So we're going to go here and click Save As. And then I'm going to use the extra options here, and I'm going to select CSV because that is going to be the most commonly used file in the timing software. I'm going to select my name and click Save, and then I can go ahead and X out of this. Before I finish, I want to go ahead and check this. And to do that, I'm going to right click and I'm going to select Open with Notepad. If I open with Excel, there's a tendency with Excel to actually try and automatically format some of these numbers in scientific notation, and so it's not something you really want to do. All right, well, I hope this has been informative. Thanks for watching.